Hi, guys!
We're so happy you're here!
Let's have some fun and learn together.
Ready? Let's go!
Brr, it is absolutely freezing tonight, Anna. Check the temperature on your phone. It feels like it is below zero. I am wearing my heavy parka, my wool hat, and 2 pairs of socks, but I can still feel the cold air biting my nose. Look at my breath. Every time I speak, a big cloud of white steam comes out. It looks like smoke.
Stop complaining, Ben. It's winter. It is supposed to be cold. Look where we are. This is the Winter Light Festival. Look at the entrance gate. It is not made of wood or stone. It is made of ice blocks. They stacked hundreds of heavy, clear bricks of ice to build this archway.
It is impressive. There are lights inside the ice. Do you see that? They drilled holes in the ice blocks and put blue LED lights inside. The whole gate is glowing a deep electric blue. It looks like the entrance to an alien planet or a superhero movie. Okay, let's show our tickets and go inside. Watch your step. The ground is packed snow. It is slippery.
Oh, wow, Ben, look up. This is the main attraction. It is a life-sized ice castle. It is massive. It must be 3 stories tall. Look at the architecture. There are tall towers, spiral staircases, and balconies, and everything is transparent. Transparent means you can see through it, like glass.
The lighting here is incredible. The castle is changing colors. First it is purple, then it fades to pink, then to a bright cyan blue. It feels magical. And look, there's a line of children over there on the left. They built an ice slide into the side of the castle. The kids are sliding down on plastic sleds. Whoosh! That looks fun, but my pants are not thick enough for that.
I want to touch it. I'm taking my glove off for just 1 second. I'm pressing my bare finger against the castle wall. Ouch! It is freezing, and it's slippery and wet. The surface is perfectly smooth, like a mirror. Okay, glove back on. My finger is numb already.
Let's walk over here to the artist zone. This is where they're making the statues live. Look at that woman in the white protective suit. She is an ice sculptor. She is an artist who carves ice. She is working on a huge block of raw ice.
Listen to the noise. Chisel, chisel, tap, tap. She's using sharp tools. She has a chisel in one hand and a hammer in the other. She's chipping away small pieces of ice. Look at the ice dust flying in the air. When she hits the ice, it explodes into a fine white powder. It sparkles in the spotlight like glitter.
What is she making? I can see a long neck and wings. I think it is a swan. She is carving the feathers right now. It takes so much patience. One wrong hit with the hammer and the whole thing could crack and shatter. I would be so nervous.
She is very skilled. It's beautiful art, but it is temporary. By next month, when the weather gets warmer, this beautiful swan will melt into a puddle of water. That makes it even more special. We are seeing it in its perfect moment.
Okay, I've seen the art. Now I need to feel my toes again. Let's keep moving. I see a bright glow over there in the trees. It looks like the lantern tunnel. Let's go walk through the lights. Okay, we are leaving the ice area. Now we are entering the forest zone. Look ahead, Anna. Do you see that archway? It is the start of the Tunnel of Lights. It looks like a portal to another dimension. Let's walk inside.
Oh my goodness, this is breathtaking. It is a long metal frame shaped like a half circle, and it is completely wrapped in string lights. Thousands and thousands of tiny bulbs. They are fairy lights. Right now, they are all glowing a warm golden color. It feels like we are walking inside a star.
It is so bright in here that I don't need to squint. The light is reflecting off the snow on the ground. It makes everything look clean and holy. Listen to the music. Can you hear it? They are playing soft instrumental piano music through hidden speakers. It matches the mood perfectly. It feels very romantic, doesn't it?
It does. It feels cozy even though it is freezing outside. Wait, look at the lights now. They are changing. They are slowly fading from gold to purple and now to pink. It is a light show. The colors are moving in a wave down the tunnel, like a rainbow flowing over our heads.
We have to document this. We need a photo. Anna, take out your phone. Let's take a selfie. Stand here, right in the middle of the tunnel. The lighting is perfect for a portrait.
Okay, I have my camera app open. I am switching to the front-facing camera. Fix your hat, Ben. It is crooked. Okay, smile. But wait, I want to get the bokeh effect. Bokeh is a photography term. It means the background is blurry, so the lights look like soft, glowing circles.
Tap the screen on our faces. That will focus the camera on us. Now the background goes soft. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, cheese. Click. Let me see it. Wow, we look frozen but happy. The pink lights behind us look like cotton candy.
Send that to me later. I want to post it on social media. Okay, my hand is freezing without my glove. Glove back on, immediately. Let's keep walking to the end of the tunnel. I see something different up ahead in the trees.
We are exiting the tunnel now. We are back in the dark forest path. But look up, Anna. Look into the branches of the big oak trees. They have hung paper lanterns, big, round, glowing orbs. They are red and orange.
They look like floating moons or giant pumpkins. They are swaying gently in the wind. The contrast is beautiful. The trees are black and bare, skeletons of trees, but the lanterns are warm and full of life. It is peaceful here, much quieter than the ice castle area.
I love the sound of the wind in the branches, rustle, rustle, and the crunch of our boots on the snow, crunch, crunch. But honestly, Anna, I am starting to lose feeling in my nose. The beauty is great, but the cold is winning. I need heat. I need something hot to drink.
I smell it. Stop and sniff the air, Ben. Do you smell that? It smells like burning wood. And chocolate? I think there's a bonfire and the concession stands up ahead.
Music to my ears, or smells to my nose. Let's go. I'm going to buy the hottest drink they have. Oh, thank goodness. Look over there, Anna. In the center of the clearing, it is a bonfire, a massive fire pit. It is surrounded by people trying to get warm. Let's squeeze in. Excuse me, excuse me. Ah, the heat.
I can feel it on my face instantly. My cheeks were frozen stiff, and now they are tingling. It is an intense heat. If you stand too close, it burns. If you stand too far away, you freeze. You have to find the sweet spot. I'm taking my gloves off to warm my hands. I'm holding my palms out toward the flames.
Listen to the wood burning. Crackle, pop, hiss. That is the sound of the sap inside the wood boiling and exploding. It is a comforting sound. Look at the embers. Those are the little glowing sparks floating up into the air. They look like fireflies. They float up and then disappear into the darkness.
Now that my hands work again, I need that drink. The concession stand is right next to the fire. It is a little wooden hut. It looks like a gingerbread house. Let's go order. I know exactly what I want.
2 signature hot chocolates, please, with everything on top. The barista is ladling the liquid out of a big silver pot. It looks thick and creamy. It isn't just watery powder mix. This is real melted chocolate.
Oh my, look at these masterpieces. Thank you. Then look at your cup. It is a work of art. First, there is the dark brown liquid, then a mountain of whipped cream. It is piled high, spiraling up like a tower.
And don't forget the marshmallows. They sprinkled tiny white marshmallows on top of the cream. And look, chocolate shavings, little curls of grated chocolate. I have to be careful not to spill it. It is steaming hot. Blow, blow. I'm blowing on the steam to cool it down.
I'm taking the first sip. Sip. It is incredibly sweet. The whipped cream sticks to my upper lip. Now I have a mustache. A whipped cream mustache. Don't laugh at me.
Look at you. You look ridiculous. Wipe it off. The chocolate warms you from the inside out. I felt the hot liquid go all the way down to my stomach. This is the perfect winter fuel. Sugar and heat. I feel my energy coming back.
Now that we are warm and full of sugar, look up. We are far away from the city center here. The sky is darker. The clouds have cleared up. Look at the stars, Ben. There are millions of them. They are twinkling like diamonds on black velvet.
I see the Big Dipper, that constellation shaped like a spoon. It is crystal clear tonight. The cold air makes the sky look sharper. You know, I was complaining about the cold earlier, but I'm glad we came. The ice, the lights, the fire, it was worth freezing my toes for.
Me too. It is a beautiful way to celebrate the season. Let's make a toast. Raise your cup then to winter adventures and to hot chocolate.
Clink to winter adventures. Now drink up. Let's go home and get under a warm blanket.